Hey everybody, Carlo Puglisi, a data science evangelist. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about data science and machine learning as part of our Focus 5 areas. I've had a lot of success recently talking to clients about our data science and big data strategy, and machine learning is a topic that comes up all the time. So today I want to talk to you and show you a quick demo of how, making data simple, we can take our data science experience platform and create a machine learning and deploy that and then invoke it. Within Data Science Experience, you'll see this is our landing page. You have articles, datasets, notebooks, and tutorials. A lot of things you can do with community. I'm going to jump right into this, go into the projects. When I go into the project, you'll see you have an overview, analytic assets, data assets, bookmarks, deployments, collaborators, and settings. We scroll down, we have models. This is machine learning models. I'm going to click Add Models, and this is going to create a brand new model. I'm going to call this Sales Predict. Then here, I'm going to pick a machine learning service, a Spark service. Instead of automatic, I'm going to do manual. This is how data gets prepped, just so I can show you the pipeline. Hit create. Once it comes up, you'll see we have the data asset here. I'm going to select that. I previously dragged and dropped it in. It's simple to do. And hit next. Now that the data is loaded, you'll see it's 5 fields: a product line, gender, age, marital status, and profession. And what I'm going to do here, as you can see, it created a pipeline on the left of steps you have to do to build a machine learning model. I'm going to just make sure that my data looks good. It already picked a auto data preparation transformer. You can add additional transformers if you wanted to transform some of your data to prep it for this model. Next, I'm going to go to train, and I'm going to say I want to predict product line based on these other features. With the cognitive assist, it told us multi-class classification. Now all I want to do is pick an estimator, which is really your algorithm, and I'm just going to pick a random forest. And then if you picked automatic, it would recommend one, and we're going to add that. Now we're going to just go down to the bottom. We're going to decide how much of the data set we want to use for training versus testing and versus holdout. And this is basic steps that you would have to code. We've kind of put it in. This is nice drag. I'm going to put a little bit more of my population into the train, and drop this down a little bit and hit next. Now it's going to train my model. With my model trained, I get back the evaluation. When I pick automatic, it would have multiple algorithms it ran against. I just picked random forest. Performance was poor, but it's still better than a random selection. It's about 57% accurate. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to save the model. Once the model's saved, you'll see it tells you right here, it's a Spark ML classification, random forest. And now what I can do with one click, create a deployment of that model. Here I'm going to select an online deployment. I'm going to give it a name of Sales Predict. I'm going to say one request, one peak, hit deploy. And here you see we have an endpoint that a developer can now invoke to actually make predictions against the model we just trained. Typically, to do this step, a developer team would have to recreate the model into a platform that the data scientists train the model, and it's not very efficient. We're automating that process end to end. Let's go ahead and test the API. Here, I'm going to say, okay, for a female, age 30, single, let's predict what products most likely she would buy, and it says 66% are personal accessories. Let's change it and see same age, female, but married. Do a prediction. As you can see here, based on the population, 47% are buy personal accessories, and other products lines increase. So this is a simple way to show how you can create a model within Data Science Experience without having to write a lot of code. This has been well received with clients. I recommend you guys get out there and play with the platform. And good luck. Thank you.